Welcome back. In this evening's edition of the Business Review, we hear the motivation behind a small business creating fashions with a traditional technique, tie and dye. Here's Cody and Barrett.
For many, the hardships of adulthood pulls us away from our youthful creativity. But for Jordan Ashley Newby, owner of To Die For, she was not about to let that become her reality.
I didn't want to lose my passion. I didn't want to lose my creative side because I realized that when you get older, or even adults that were around me at the time, they would tell me, oh, they wanted to do this, or I used to do this, or I used to paint, I used to draw, I used to love this, etc. I didn't want that passion inside me to die.
Tie and dye, a technique taught in basic art class, has been practiced for decades and has been given new life through modern designs. In 2017, To Die For made its debut at a fashion show, but it was overshadowed by other designers.
I didn't get the response I wanted, so I kind of didn't continue anymore, but I had friends that wanted tie and dye shirts, so I did it behind the scenes. However, I did a shirt for a friend one time, and all of his friends saw it, and he called other persons to look at the shirts and stuff like that, and then from there I didn't have a choice but to continue producing more t-shirts.
When demand grew, she went in. The cost of entry is low, and the profit margins have the possibility to be great, especially since it's all done from home. With steady investment, the business improved, and in July 2020, it was officially registered.
2020 to now, I wouldn't say profits necessarily improved because of inflation and COVID and stuff like that. So we're just coming out of, the whole COVID situation. However, I would say that my skills and my clientele improved dramatically. But overall, currently, I would say coming from where I'm at to now, it's more of a break even.
A bulk of its sales go to custom collaborative services for other small businesses and brands. Currently, all sales are local. Steps are being taken to begin export. While earning is on the agenda, To Die For hopes to be an example for others.
What I honestly hope comes from it is that persons or adults older than me or younger than me, they see that it doesn't matter the age that you're at, the stage that you're at, you can still be passionate, you can still tap into that younger you, that creative you that once lived, or when you were going to high school, prep school, and just continue to do what you are passionate about.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.